Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, super coupons, coupon deals starting August 3rd through the 16th. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping, maybe becoming a channel member. Let's get to 30,000 subscribers. That's nuts. But let's go ahead and jump right in. Don't forget. So this will be accompanying, at least for the first 6 days, parking lot sale starting the 10th, of course, through the 16th. If you're watching this video today, technically, you still got time to take advantage of the 30% off all items, $20 and under if you're ITC, and then August parking lot sale starting the 10th for ITC as well, going through the 16th. But let's go through the super coupons. Starting with Hercules alert. Super coupon, Hercules, 15 amp, 66 pound, 1 1/8 inch hex breaker hammer with maximum vibration control, 530. Down $120. It's a good amount. It's gonna be slightly less than 20%, but we'll do the math just to verify. 18, almost 19%. Central Machinery 20-inch 3-speed high-velocity fans, or the high-velocity fan, down 25% to $45, down from $60. And 25% is not bad. We did just have our 10 days of deals where these were 35% off. So if you missed that sale, 25% is not too bad. Still hot outside. Bauer 10-inch Dual-Bevel sliding compound miter saw, $220, down from $260, $40 off. The Bauer 8-inch 5-speed bench drill press with light, $80, normally $90, 11% off. Hercules 44 7/8 inch by 1/2 inch cobalt bimetal deep cut portable bandsaw blades, 2-pack. Not Shakur, did it? We know it. $10, 50% off, down from $20. Available in 10, 14, 18, and 24 TPI compared to Milwaukee. Some more Hercules, 15 amp, 4.3 horsepower, 14-inch abrasive cut saw, $150, normally $190, $40 off compared to Makita. Yeah, we have Bauer again, the 35-gallon dust collector with 2-micron canister filter, $400, $50 off, normally $450. It's a 3.6 Rotkin, leaning more terrible, just over 10% off. Hercules 12-amp variable speed reciprocating saw, $90, only $10 off, also only 10% off. Hercules 4.5 inch, 0.04 inch by 7/8 inch type 0141 metal cutoff wheels, 10-pack at $9, 30% off. Of Warrior SDS Max type masonry chisel set, 3-piece, $35, down from $45, 22% off. More Warrior 0.7 amp rotary toolkit, 80-piece, $9, normally $10, only 10% off. Maybe they know these are lined up with the parking lot sale. And they're saying they can't. They're assuming they can't do better deals here than the parking lot sale. Bauer 22-inch variable speed scroll saw, $250, normally $280, only $30 off. A few Hercules here though. Hercules 1 3/4 inch impact rated magnetic nut setters, 9-piece, your choice of SAE or metric, $10, normally $15. Hercules 10-inch 84T laminate plastics non-ferrous metal cutting miter and table saw blade, $33, normally $40, 17% off. And then the Hercules 2.4 amp orbital quarter sheet sander with soft start, $30, normally $45, 33% off. Solid deal there. And we have Grant's 3-inch universal pads, 2-pack, hit them up, $7, normally $9, 22% off. Hercules 2-inch by 48-inch belt grinder, $250, normally $300, $50 off. You have Bauer 3-inch by 21-inch sanding belts, 3-pack, $6, normally $8, 25% off. Your choice of aluminum oxide 40 grit or zirconia aluminum 50, 80, or 120 grit compared to Diablo. Central Machinery 10-inch by 18-inch 5-speed half horsepower benchtop wood lathe, $250, only $300, $50 off. Going towards some hand tools, we have Doyle 4.5-inch swivel vise with anvil and pipe jaws, $100, $50 off, normally $150. Excellent deal. That's close to parking lot sale levels. That's at 33% off. Icon alert. Lifetime guarantee, of course. 1/2-inch drive professional impact socket set. Your choice, $45, normally $55, 18% off. Choice of say or metric, 13 piece and 14 piece compared to Snap-on. Then we have super coupons. They've been each set of these. Let's see. I think in almost each one of the deals, less the instant savings, we have the Pittsburgh Pro half-inch drive color-coded deep socket set, 10 piece, $11, only $15, 26% off, choice of SAE or metric. And then for ITC, we just got the 3/8-inch drive color-coded deep socket set, 10 piece, Pittsburgh Pro, $998, 28% off, also choice of SAE or metric. And then the Dollar Days has the 1/4-inch drive color-coded deep socket set, 10 piece, $9, 30% off. So we have the 1/4-inch drive color-coded available, half-inch drive, and the 3/8-inch drive, all available. Not sure what that means, but if you want to get colorful, you can. 26% off. We continue. Quinn, lifetime warranty, 52-inch and a 100-inch clamp and cutting edge guide. Is this a clamp? Is this going to be available during the parking lot sale? Can't wait for the clickable ad. $33, normally $40, 17% off. Then we have Doyle 6-inch hitch vise at $90, normally going $20, $30 off. Central Machinery 2.5-inch table swivel vise, $20, normally $23, 13% off. Doyle 4-pound steel cross peen hammer, $15, normally $20, 25% off. And we have Icon Alert, Icon 8-inch 3-position slip joint pliers, $18, normally $22, 18% off. Windsor Design wood chisel set, 6-piece, $8, 38% off. Good discount there. Then we have Pittsburgh 10-inch steel adjustable wrench down to $5, 37% off. And the Pittsburgh precision screwdriver set with molded handles, $4, normally $6, 33% off. We continue. Merlin 3/8-inch by 50-foot heavy-duty retractable air hose reel, rubber hose, $69.99 is nice. Normally $100, $30 off. Then we have Avanti high performance handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer, $100, normally $120, $20 off. Earthquake XT 3/4-inch composite air impact wrench twin hammer, 1,800 foot-pounds, $200, normally $250, $50 off compared to Snap-on. Pittsburgh 12-volt portable tire inflator with LED light, $12, $17, almost 30% off, 29% off. We have Pittsburgh's 12-volt battery direct tire inflator with LED light, $50, normally $69.99, 28% off, solid. Merlin's 3/8-inch by 100-foot rubber air hose, MPT fittings, 1/4-inch, $40, normally $50, 20% off. And then the Merlin 1/4-inch industrial, automotive, and aero style universal coupler. Your choice of female or male, $349, normally $469, 25% off. We do have some storage. U.S. General Alert, 27-inch by 22-inch roll cap, $350. Terrible discount, $30 off only, normally $380. That's 36,000 rockin'. U.S. General magnetic paper towel holder, $10, 33% off, down from $15. That's a solid deal. And U.S. General 3/8-inch magnetic socket holder, 35% off. Parking lot sale level, $13, normally $20. SAE or metric are your choices. Then we have the 1/2-inch drive magnetic socket holder, $15, 34% off. Normally $23. Choice of SAE or metric as well. Storehouse 8-bin large portable parts storage case, $10, normally $13, 23% off. Then we do have a deal on the U.S. General 36-inch by 24-inch 2-shelf steel service cart, black, $69.99, normally $90, 22% off compared to Grainger approved. U.S. General magnetic cup holder, $10, 16% off. Then we have the Storehouse 30-bin wall mount parts rack at $15, normally $20, 25% off. Daytona Alert, 3-ton low-profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, $169.99, $30 off, less than 20% off, normally $200. The Viking 3400 peak amp pro portable car battery jump starter and power pack, $330, normally $400, $70 off. The Icon professional adjustable shop seat with stool storage. Oh, that'd be cool. Just open it up. Open up a hole right here in the middle. Put some stool in. Shop seat with tool storage, $90. That's for Spry Geezer. $110, $20 off compared to Snap-on. Hallmaster, 1,000-pound capacity, 1.5-inch by 10-foot ratcheting tie-down straps. 4-pack, $18, normally $25, 28% off. Pittsburgh's brake bleeder and vacuum pump kit, $18, normally $26, 30% off. Kenway magnetic LED wireless towing light kit, $130, normally $150, $20 off. We have Pittsburgh 1,300-pound electric hoist with remote control, $130, normally $150, $20 off. Hallmaster 600-pound capacity motorcycle carrier, $220, also only $20 off. Hallmaster's 2.5-ton trailer RV scissor stabilizer, $30, normally $38, 21% off. Cover Pro 10-foot by 10-foot heavy-duty straight leg pop-up canopy, $110, normally $140, $30 off. Hallmaster 6,000-pound capacity 2-inch by 20-foot recovery strap, $14, normally $16, 12% off. Icon Alert again, the 1-year guarantee. Professional digital display circuit light tester with interchangeable shanks, $69.99 is nice. $80, 12% off, not so nice compared to Snap-on. The Jupiter 1500 watt continuous 30,000 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter, $110, normally $130, $20 off. Jupiter's 400 watt continuous 800 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter, $45, only 15% off. Scrubbing towels, 72 count, $13, 27% off. Better off getting some of these today if you still can, with a 30% off of $20 and under. Maddox trim panel scraper set, 12 piece, $15, normally $20, 25% off. And then we have the 5/16 inch from Pittsburgh side terminal battery ratchet wrench, $2, 42% off. There's another ratchet on sale. It's in the inside track, but it's a nice little comfort grip. $2, 42% off, steal of a deal compared to gear wrench. Generators, 10,000 watt gas powered portable generator with remote start, CO secure technology, $800, $100 off. Just over 10% off. Not terrible, but not great. Lawn and garden. It's that time of year. Who wants to see a Harbro lawn channel? Maybe 3 of you. 1,200-pound capacity steel utility cart with removable sides, $150, $40 off, normally $190. The foldable aluminum sports chair. Your choice of color, blue or green. $28, normally $33, 15% off. For the Tarp Bros, 15-foot 2-inch by 19-foot 6-inch heavy-duty reflective all-purpose weather-resistant 9mm tarp, $27, 18% off, normally $33. Normally $33. Another tarp, 18-foot by 24-foot silver and black extreme duty weather-resistant 12mm tarp, $55, normally $70, 21% off. And the Bunker Hill 115 aluminum wall mount solar security lights, your choice of color, black or white, $9, 40% off. These were on sale, but I don't think they were as deeply discounted as this. 40% off is parking lot sale of old. Bauer 20-volt cordless string trimmer, tool only, $45, 18% off. Drummond's 3/4 horsepower non-submersible Supermax 1-inch transfer pump, $140, normally $170, $30 off. Bauer 20-volt cordless 96 miles per hour, 338 CFM jet fan blower, tool only, $45, normally $55, 18% off. Bunker Hill again, 500 lumen LED solar security lights, $20, normally $25, 20% off, your choice of black or white. And then we have the Union 10-gun key lock security cabinet, down to $150, $50 off, normally $200. We have the Thunderbolt high capacity nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries, choice of AA, AAA 4-pack, $8, 20% off compared to Energizer. Welding titanium 9.3 square inch auto darkening welding helmet, $90, $10 off. Berger 3-in-1 135 amp multi-process welder with 120 volt input, $110, only $10 off, normally $120. Chicago Electric fixed shade welding helmet, $20, only $30, 33% off. That's a better deal there. On to plumbing. Drummond half horsepower submersible sewage pump with tether switch, $105, normally $120, $15 off. Pittsburgh's 36-inch aluminum pipe wrench, $48 for a pipe wrench. Wild. Compared to Milwaukee, $55, 12% off, and it's because it's 36 inches. So it's a 3-foot pipe wrench. Okay, for the size queens, that makes sense. Then we have Pittsburgh 6-inch diagonal cutters, 50% off, down to $2. What a steal of a deal. And then Doyle lifetime warranty, 9.5-inch high leverage linesman pliers with crimping tool, $18, 18% off. And then for lighting, we have the Braun 7,000 lumen 2-foot linkable motion sensing LED hanging shop light, down to $31.49, down from $34.99. Only 10% off. What a super coupon. I feel like some of these, they should just get rid of the super and just leave the coupon, because 10% leaves us wanting. Super coupon paint kit, 9-piece, $10. $13 normally, 23% off. The Cover Pro brand new 5-foot by 5-foot canvas drop cloth. What a deal. $4. Normally $7, 42% off. Avanti paintbrush set 2-piece best quality, $8. Normally $9, 11% off. And then the Black Widow 0.3 millimeter and 0.5 millimeter trigger style gravity feed dual action airbrush, $80, normally $90, 11% off. Now, a lot of these deals have left me wanting. Definitely this weekend has been better. 30% off anything $12 to $20 and under. Huge savings there. Some decent deals, big discounts. But as usual, those are our first half of super coupons for the month of August, starting tomorrow. Harbros, let me know what you think. Let me know how your weekend was. How has your 30% off weekend been going? And I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Again, let me know what you think. And as usual, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.